Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this dewy makeup look. In this video, we're going to focus a lot on skin, and I'm going to be showing you guys the new Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. I also added some faux freckles and a smoked out brown wing. Real quick, before we get started on the video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Email. What was I saying? Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and that you give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started on the tutorial. So let's start out by moisturizing the face. I'm going to be using this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I've been using this one a lot at nighttime, and I use it under my makeup. I like it because it's just like a gentle moisturizer, and it doesn't leave the skin greasy or anything. And also, before you apply this foundation, you definitely want to make sure that your skin is well moisturized and prepped and primed. For my primer, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Lines serum. I really love this primer. I just feel like it makes my face look so smooth. So we're going to be using the new We're going to be using the new Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. So I really love this foundation. I actually first tried it when I was in New York. I was out there for Fashion Week with Marc Jacobs. It was a really fun trip. Normally I like really, I guess, heavy foundations. I like this one though because it has buildable coverage and it makes your skin look really soft, but it still looks like real skin. So ever since I first tried this, this has been one of my go-tos, and you guys are gonna see how it wears today. I'm actually gonna be applying it with this Marc Jacobs foundation brush as well. It's funny because when I first tried it, I wasn't sure about it because I'm used to just like a heavier foundation, and I wasn't sure about it, and then it really grew on me, especially when I was taking pictures, because my face looked just like flawless. And then I ended up liking it now. Now I'm adjusted more to this foundation, and the heavier, more like cakey matte foundations I actually feel weird wearing. Oh yeah, and the shade that I'm wearing right now is light Y720. I was actually a little bit tanner in New York, so I was wearing a different shade of foundation, but this shade range is really good too. I believe there's 26 different shades. So yeah, there's definitely something for everyone in there. For my finishing powder, I'm going to be using this powder from Too Faced. This is the Peach Perfect powder. And if you guys notice, I don't know how, but I have 2 lashes left on each side. I think maybe one right there. But I think I'm gonna go get them touched up this week, if I can. I'm gonna find this place in Santa Monica that actually one of my girls commented on. She said she recommended this place, so I'm gonna go check it out. In addition to that, you know, I'm gonna go get my nails done. My hands feel so weird without my nails. It's crazy. I feel like I lost sensation in the ends of my hands, so the claws will be back soon. Let's go in with some bronzer. I'm going to be using I don't know if I already said this, Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. This color is called Saddle. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wow, this is pigmented. So last week I did pretty good. I made a lot of progress with my health and fitness. I lost 4 pounds. Finally got my diet on track, and then this weekend I gained it all back. So this weekend I'm like, listen, no more games, no cheat day, no drinking. Gonna get real serious. It's not the working out part for me, it's the diet. And you can lose weight. You don't even have to work out to lose weight. You just change your diet. That's the hardest part for me. For my brows, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics Lingering Eyebrow Pencil. Next, I'm going to take some Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, tinted brow gel in blonde, and we're just gonna brush these over the brows. I'm gonna do it pretty lightly. So I'm gonna carve out the brows, and I kind of want to try this brush. This is a Morphe M3. I think actually last time I used this to contour the nose with. But let's try it on the brows. Why don't we? Also, I hope you guys can't hear the TV because Housewives is on. I don't watch any quality TV. I only watch garbage TV. Housewives is my guilty pleasure. And I'm not gonna get into a discussion right now, unless you want me to. But I will just say that I can't stand or eat. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. First, I'm gonna take Pumpkin Spice, raw here. I'm using a Anastasia A12 brush, also. Just your standard fluffy brush. So I'm just buffing this till it's smooth and then kind of darkening the outside corner. Next, we're gonna take the shade, Next, we're gonna take the shade Macchiato, and we're gonna put this right on the lid. Speaking of coffee, or lattes, I discovered a new latte from Alfred Coffee. I don't know if they only have them in LA or where they are, but it's an oat milk latte and it is so good. So I'm just putting this on the lid and I'm kind of blending it with my finger. And actually I love, oh whoops, I took it a little bit high. I was getting too excited. So for my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is the shade Ivory. I have not tried the new KKW concealers yet, but I'm excited to try them. I know you guys are shocked that I'm wearing actual concealer. So next I'm going to take this Dose of Colors eye cream color. This is in the color Extra Baggage. And I really love brown eyeliner because you still get that definition, but it's nice and soft. And first I'm gonna line the lash line. Oh no. Having a little bit of trouble here. I'm having trouble because I'm pulling it up to blend it and it's like on the sides of the brush. And I'm just making it worse. All right, well. Let's put this brush down. I'm just gonna grab this smaller eyeshadow brush. Let's go back into our latte palette and let's grab the color Mocha. And I'm gonna just kind of buff over this with that color to try and smooth things out. Actually, I'm gonna buff this out first because I don't like that. Struggle City. You know, for a long time I've thought of a cool video idea. This is kind of unrelated, I guess. But it would be a cool idea to see like a video of like, hey, what am I doing wrong? Like to someone to like show me their like bare makeup routine, and then for me to watch them do it and then see like, oh, this isn't coming out the way I want. And I'm like, oh, it's just because you need to go like this instead of this. That would be cool, right? Let's take a little bit of time out, the Peach Perfect powder, and let's set the under eyes. First, I'm gonna kind of like smudge out the creasing with my finger. And then let's go ahead and apply the peach powder. Okay, so for the lashes, I think I want to do some wispy lashes, but I want to cut them up. These are actually, someone gifted these to me. This makeup artist who I was at my friend's wedding with, I brought like a bunch of lily lashes because I had extra. I brought like a big bag and I was like, everyone take them. And then she was like, here, try one of these. I never tried them. So these are Tati lashes. These are very wispy lashes. So now I think I'll trim these into 3 parts. Okay, so I'm going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes, and then once the top lashes dry, I'm gonna add some mascara there too, just to blend everything. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. Okay, so now for the skin, I want to do some faux freckles. So I'm gonna take this bronzer first, the same one that we used on the cheeks. And I'm gonna put it over where the sun naturally hits. Oh, that's too much. I'm gonna take this well-loved highlight and contour powder from IBY Beauty. First, I'm gonna take this highlight 2, and I'm gonna go down the center of the nose. Let's take some contour powder. I'm gonna go back into the IBY Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take the Luxie Jady Weighty 182 brush. This is my nose contouring brush, and I kind of mix all of these shades. And first I'm gonna go down the side of the nose. So we're actually gonna take this eyebrow pencil, the MAC one. Take the liner that we used on the eyes and super lightly dot it on the face. I actually think that's okay. I don't want to overdo it. Let's add some highlight now. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise Morphe Brushes palette. I'm gonna take the shade Vacation, and it came with this fan brush. So I'm gonna use this to apply it right to the tops of the cheeks. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and apply it right here to the tip of my nose. And then I'm also gonna apply it in the tear duct areas of the eyes. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to apply this is kind of like an older MAC lip liner. This is the MAC Mariah Carey lip liner. So dramatique. Next, I'm going to take the lipstick Nova from Kylie Cosmetics. This was part of the Stormy collection. Alright you guys, so this was the whole video. I hope that you liked this look. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Wow, now it's worse.